Still on matrix multiplication. In the last video, we saw that when we multiply two matrices, it is possible when the column number of A is equal to the row number of B, and therefore the result will be a M by K matrix. And we know that matrix multiplication is the row multiplied by the column. Now we have four matrices here. Okay, the first one is A, which is a 2 by 3 matrix. The second is B, which is a 3 by 1 matrix. The third is C, and C here is a 2 by 4 matrix, and here is a 4 by 1 matrix. And we are asked to evaluate the following: AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, and CD. Yeah, it's quite interesting. So let's begin with number one, AB. Remember, the first thing we have to check is, does the rule apply? Okay, is it possible or it's not possible? Now, A is a 2 by 3 matrix, and it is being multiplied by B, which is a 3 by 1 matrix. So the row number of the first, the column number of the first must be equal to the row number of the second. So yes, it's possible, and then the result is a 2 by 1 matrix. So whatever we have, we are going to end up having a 2 by 1 matrix. So now let's begin with A multiplied by B. So A, B, therefore the 2 by 3 matrix is 4, 7, 6, 2, 3, 1 multiplied by B, which is a 8, 5, 9. Yeah, this is interesting. Now, so we know the result will be a 2 by 1 matrix. Let's make way space for this. So that means we have 2 rows and 1 column. Okay, so that means for the first row we'll have we'll be evaluating for row 1 multiplied by column 1, and the second one will be row 2 multiplied by column 2. Okay, let's make this a different color just for. All right, so row 1 multiplied by row of A multiplied by the column of B. So we have 4 multiplied by 8 plus 7 multiplied by 5 plus 6 multiplied by 9. And the next row is this multiplied by this. So it will be 2 multiplied by 8 plus 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1 multiplied by 9. Now we can see now that it still follows the principle of matrix multiplication, that it is the row multiplied by the column. Now this results into, okay, let's analyze it simply. 32 plus 35 plus 54, and 16 plus 15 plus 9. This results into 121 and 40. So we can see now that AB, which is a 2 by 1 matrix, and this is a 2 by 1 matrix. All right, with that done, let's try it for number 2. Question 2 says AC. Remember, the first thing we do when we have matrix multiplication questions is to check if it is possible. Now, what is the matrix order or dimension of A? What is the matrix order or dimension of C? Now, A is a 2 by 3 matrix, C is a 2 by 4 matrix. Let's see if it's possible. 2 by 3 matrix multiplied by a 2 by 4 matrix. Is this possible? No, not possible. So we just write there, not possible. Let's proceed on. Now that we have AC. The next question says AD. Well, we still know that A is a 2 by 3 matrix. And what is D? A D is a 4 by 1 matrix. Interesting. So this is 4 by 1 matrix. Now, is it possible? Okay, no, it's not possible. So we just write there, not possible. And let's proceed on for number 4, BC. Or you can pause the video right away now and try for question 4, 5, 6. Which is possible, which is not possible. And if it's possible, you go ahead and solve it. Right, you can pause the video and we'll continue over here. So this is B, question 4, which is BC. Now C is a 2 by 4 matrix, B is a 3 by 1 matrix. BC, B is what? Is a 3 by 1 matrix, and C is a 2 by 4 matrix. Now we look at the row column number of A, of B, and the row number of C. It's not possible because they are not equal. Not possible. And let's try for number 5. I believe you got that. BD now. Number 5, BD. Okay, B is a 3 by 1 matrix and D is 4 by 1 matrix. Now they do not align, therefore it is not possible. And let's take a look at now at CD. C and D. C and D must multiply together. Right, let's hope this is possible so that we can at least solve something interesting. So C now is a 2 by 4 matrix and D is a 4 by 1 matrix. Oh, amazingly, it's possible. Yeah, it's possible. So the result therefore will be what? A 2 by 1 matrix. Yeah, a 2 by 1 matrix. So let's see what this will amount to. Hopefully it's not something erratic. So we have C and we have D. All right, so I think I have the question beside me, so let me just duplicate it here. And the C is 23514607, and D is 34, right, 3429. Yeah, we know that it's possible, and then we are expecting a 2 by 1 matrix similar to what we had earlier. All right, so we are expecting a 2 by 1 matrix, but this multiplication is going to be long. Yeah, so we have row 1 column 1, and likewise we have row 2 column 1, row 2 column 1, and here we have row 1 column 1. So row 1 multiplied by column 1. So this will be 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 2 and plus 1 multiplied by 9. Oh, 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 9. That's quite interesting, you know. And we have second row multiplied by the first column. So that means we have the second row of C multiplied by the first column of D. So this will be 4 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 3, plus 6 multiplied by 4. Okay, 6 multiplied by 4, 0 multiplied by 2, and 7 multiplied by 9. And yeah, so interesting. So we solve further, and this will be 6, all right, plus 12 plus 10 plus 9, and 12 plus 24 plus 0 plus 63, and this will result into 37 and 99. Now yes, this is a 2 by 1 matrix, which tallies with what we have here. So let me give you one question now to solve, and we'll deal with that together in the next video. So we are given A to be equal to 152734, and then we are given B, which is 8431 and 2586. Yes, this is a 3 by 2 matrix, and this is a 2 by 4 matrix. Oh yes, the tally to 2, and therefore we are expecting a 3 by 4 matrix. Woo! 3 by 4 matrix as the result. Yeah, I believe you can. So try this and let's find the answer for A multiplied by B. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Shalom.